When I understood what I'm about to share with you now about women, everything changed. I was going through life not getting attention from women. I would look at women and find them attractive, and it was like I didn't even exist, or they looked at me as though I just wasn't good enough, right? And that was really messing with my confidence. But when I understood what I'm about to share with you now, everything changed. It was like a door opened, and I stepped into a new life with women that has continued ever since, where they actually want me. They actually feel attracted to me. And what's really interesting is that most guys still don't know about this, right? I discovered this over 20 years ago, and I've been making videos about this. I've been trying to tell guys about this, but most guys still don't know. And even if you tell them, most guys don't even believe it, right? They think that it can't be possible. But some guys have believed it over the years, and they've used what I teach to go on to enjoy the type of life that I lived with women before settling down, where I enjoyed my choice of women for over 10 years. And some guys who've come along and learned from me have just wanted to get a girlfriend, and they've done that. But other guys have wanted to have a lot of women and really enjoy that because now they know this secret. All right, so the secret I want to share with you in this video that I hope you're going to understand and you're going to be able to see as being real, right, is that most women go through life in off mode and most men go through life in on mode. Most men are able to look at women and they're immediately on in terms of their sexual attraction. They look at a woman and think, yeah, I want to have sex with her, or I'd have sex with her. And they're just on. They're looking at her thinking about having sex with her or having sex and a relationship with her. Just like that. And they're going through life in on mode to the point where men are the ones who will look at women as they're walking past and check out their butt and check out their boobs, check out their hips and legs and so on. Like a woman's legs, right? They can really do it for us. Even just the way she walks, it's like, oh, look at that walk, look at that butt. And we're in that switched on mode, but most women go through life in off mode and they're not reacting to us like that. Now, there are some exceptions, of course. If a man is very handsome, then he will get reactions from average to below average looking women checking him out. And he'll sometimes get some eye contact from attractive women. They'll be looking at him, but the attractive women won't do anything about it. They'll just continue on. For example, if the handsome man walks past an attractive woman, she won't be looking at him, checking out his butt and looking at his legs and saying, look at those legs, look at the way he walks and so on. She's not going to be doing that because women are different. Yet what really confuses guys and prevents them from understanding this secret and using it to their advantage is that they see handsome men getting attention from women, right? And it's usually average looking women to below average looking women where they're making it obvious that they find him attractive. And so for many guys, they think that, all right, well, women are just like me. I've seen the way that they react to handsome men, so it's all about looks for them, right? Just like it is for me, right? It's all about looks for me with a woman, right? She's pretty, I'm attracted. She's not pretty, I'm not attracted. Women are feeling the same thing. And they really do think that. They think it's the way that it works and it's the only way that it can work. And so as a result, if they're not getting those type of reactions from women, where they are experiencing what I used to experience, for example, where I just seemed like background noise, or women would look at me and it would just be like a deadpan look, and then they'd look back to where they were looking or talk to their friends. It was not like, oh, wow, who's that guy sort of thing. If they're getting those sort of reactions where women aren't amazed by how they look, then they can think that, okay, it just means that I'm not attractive and that's it. You know, women don't find me attractive and I can't do anything about it. Yet here's something that I want to share with you that I hope you're going to be able to understand and see as true. And if you don't, then okay, right? Continue on thinking that you can't do this sort of thing. But what I want to tell you is this. In almost all cases, women require activation, right? So you actually have to activate a woman's attraction. You have to switch it on because she's going through life in off mode. And there are things that activate a woman's attraction for a guy, right? For example, what do you think would activate a woman's attraction? A man looking at her with nervous eye contact and looking away, or looking at her and immediately breaking eye contact, is that going to activate her attraction? Or would she feel attracted to a guy who can make confident eye contact with her, right, and not be intimidated? What's going to activate her attraction, right? There are things that activate a woman's attraction, and there are things that keep it switched off, and she just doesn't feel attracted. And so, for example, what would activate a woman's attraction? A guy talking to her and being nervous and hesitant and self-doubting as he talked to her, or a guy being confident and charming as he talks to her, or a guy using what I call playfully challenging humor, where he playfully challenges the woman and she senses that he isn't intimidated by her. He's not afraid of saying something playfully challenging when talking to her because he's not doing what a typical nice guy will do, where he just wants to be on his best behavior and say all the nice things to her to hopefully be liked by her, right? What's going to activate her attraction? A guy who actually has the confidence, the courage to do that sort of thing, the social intelligence to do that sort of thing, or a guy who's just being really nice to her and trying to quote unquote play it safe. There are so many things that can activate a woman's attraction. For example, a guy talking to her and being assertive, or a confident guy talking to her who is chill, but he adds in a sexual vibe. Now that's a lot different than a guy being chill and just talking to a woman and not adding in a sexual vibe and just talking to her like, yeah, whatever sort of thing. That's not going to activate her attraction. But you may have come across a guy in your life who was confident and chill, and when he talked to women, he was able to add in a sexual vibe, and as a result, it's on, right? The vibe is on between him and the woman. He has activated her attraction. But the same guy, if he talked to her and he was just talking to her and being chill and being like, yeah, whatever sort of thing, or just being a really nice guy, trying to get along with her, is not going to activate her attraction. But because he was confident, chill, and added in a sexual vibe, then it created that energy between him and the woman where it's on between him and her attraction is activated. He has switched her attraction on. And for guys who don't understand it, they may look at him and just think, well, there's just something about him that women like, but they won't be able to put their finger on it and say, oh, he's doing this or doing that. They'll just think, well, maybe girls like guys who are that chill or something. I don't know. Like, I'm not very chill. I'm very disciplined and dedicated to what I do and so on. Why don't they like me? Do I have to be like chill like that guy? Absolutely not. There are so many different approaches that you can use with a woman that activate her attraction. For example, a guy can be very confident and present and be assertive as he's interacting with a woman, not being chill, and she'll feel attracted to that as well. Right? There are things that activate a woman's attraction. And for most guys, they go through their life not really having anything that they can say or do to activate a woman's attraction. So they walk through life and they hope that women will notice them, or they start talking to women and they just talk in a neutral, friendly type of way, and women don't react to them with amazement, and they think, well, it's because I'm not good looking enough. That's it. But they don't realize that they can activate the woman's attraction, and there are so many different ways to do it. You can kind of think about women as being like instant noodles, where you have to add hot water, right? So it's like just add hot water and there you go, you got yourself a meal. With women, what you need to do is add sparks of attraction into the interaction. You need to create sparks that activate her attraction. So if you understand that about women and realize that most women, and I'll tell you why I'm saying most women in a minute, but most women are going through their life in off mode, and guys are walking past them and walking past opportunities to be with that woman, not realizing that all they have to do is activate her attraction. They're thinking something's going to happen. Right? I'm going to walk past here acting really cool. I'm going to be looking at my phone, or I'll be on a phone call and it's like, I'm just so cool. She's going to come over to me, right? She's going to be like, hey, Mr. Cool Guy, can I get your number? Or, hey, how are you? Sort of thing. You got a girlfriend? And nothing happens. And he walks through life hoping that one day it's going to happen, not realizing that women need to be activated in almost all cases. So why do I say almost all cases and most women? Because as you may have noticed, there are some women out there who are very horny and they go through life in on mode. They're always thinking about sex and they don't care if anyone thinks badly of them as a result, all right? To the point where, as you can see on the screen here, this woman has a t-shirt saying horny as F, right? So she's happy to show that. And some women are definitely like that. But most women go through life in off mode, and most guys don't realize, right? They don't realize that if they just interact with the woman and activate their attraction, she essentially turns on, she switches on. And it's sort of like if you want to play a video game, you can't just leave it in the console or just leave the console off and just be, sitting there with the controller trying to play a video game that's not on. You've got to switch it on. And with women, you've got to switch them on in almost all cases. Otherwise, nothing will happen. And this is something that I experienced hundreds of times, right? I was with hundreds of women before settling down. And it's now something that guys in my community experience, and they're amazed by it, that it's so easy. Like one of the members of the community, I'll put it up here, he went out with a fellow member of the community, what we call the MAC, right? It's the Master Attraction Community. He went out with a member of the MAC, and the member encouraged him to walk over and talk to a cute blonde who he ended up sleeping with. And there was another guy who was a virgin until 23, and before discovering what I teach guys, he struggled to sleep with another woman for a long time, but ever since learning my simple method for attracting women, he's been sleeping with 4 different women recently. And this is a guy who struggled to get with women before, and now he's got 4 different women in his life. And this happens time and time again, right? Guys in my community post about this sort of stuff. Some guys just want to get a girlfriend and they do that, and they just enjoy that, right? They don't want to be sleeping with a lot of different women. But some guys who come along also want to be able to enjoy sleeping with lots of beautiful women before they get to the point where they want to settle down. And what these guys are able to do is what most guys aren't able to do, and they don't even think is possible. As I was talking about at the start of this video, I hope that you're going to understand that this is how it works. It's real, right? And most guys aren't aware of it. And as a result, they go through their life hoping that something will happen, hoping that women will notice them, right? They're walking through a shopping mall. I seem really cool today and I'm just doing my own thing. I'll walk into a shop here, I'll go get a coffee, and it's like, you know, how cool do I look today in my clothes? Like I've got this cool jacket on and I've got my hair done real cool as well. I've been working out, so, you know, I'm the man, right? And they walk through there and women don't do anything about it. And what does he think? Well, I'm not good looking enough, or I have to work out more. I have to get better clothes. I have to do my hair even better than I've done it today. Right? And he doesn't realize that almost all women are going through life in off mode, and they need to be activated, right? Just add hot water, just add sparks, right? Activate the woman's attraction. And when you do that, you'll see the woman switch on. Her eyes light up and she starts talking to you. She starts smiling. She starts flirting. She's trying to keep the conversation going because you're making her feel attracted, and it's on. And that was the door that I walked through all those years ago. I walked away from the life of hoping that women would notice me or something would happen, and I started activating women. And when you do that, you enjoy your choice of women. Right? And as I said, some guys just want to get a girlfriend, that's fine. But personally speaking, I wanted to continue enjoying what I discovered, right? The secret that I discovered. And I enjoyed that for over 10 years before settling down. And what's really cool is that what I did back then works exactly the same in today's world. Because attraction always works in the same way, and most guys still don't even know that this is how it works. They're going through their life hoping that if they just look better and become more successful, something will happen. And that will be the case for some guys. Right? They'll become more successful in life after 5 or 10 years or 15 years, or they'll build their body up in the gym and they'll get more attention from women, but the women will usually be average to below average looking women. And when he interacts with an attractive woman, he still usually won't have the confidence to be able to handle the interaction with her. Because in almost all cases, attractive women are different in that if you start interacting with them, they usually won't try to make it easy for you. And it's like, oh, right, I'll just show this guy that I'm really interested and I want to be with him. Instead, they know that they're attractive, right? Almost all attractive women feel attractive. Some don't feel attractive and they don't think that they're beautiful even though they are. Right? They have that insecurity. But they usually know that they're attractive and that guys want to be with them, right? So attractive women usually want to see that the guy feels like he's good enough for them. Because if they get into a relationship with a guy who doesn't feel like he's good enough, what's going to happen? He's most likely going to become clingy, insecure, emotionally sensitive, overprotective in the relationship. And that's not going to be fun for her. So most attractive women won't actually make it obvious that they like a guy when they're interacting with him, even when they do. And so a guy who thinks that one day if he becomes more successful or if he builds enough muscle, then he'll be able to get the sort of attractive women that he wants, will encounter the same problem, where the woman won't be reassuring of her interest. And if he doesn't know what I've just told you now, then he will back out of the interaction thinking that she is just not attracted to him and he doesn't have a chance. But if he has the sort of confidence that I figured out how to have with women over 20 years ago that changed my life, then he's not going to back out. He's not going to feel intimidated. He's not going to give up. And he's going to be able to make her feel sparks of attraction. He's going to be able to activate her attraction. And her eyes are going to light up. She's going to be interested. She's going to want him. And he's going to get a result. But if he's just going into that interaction hoping that his success in life, which she usually won't find out about him right away when she's talking to him, by the way, she's not going to know everything about his success. If he's hoping that his success in life is going to do all the work for him, or his muscles are going to do all the work for him, then he's going to be in for a rude awakening when he interacts with attractive women, because they're just not going to give him the type of reassurance that he will be getting from average to below average looking women. So for most guys, they get to that point and it's quite disappointing. And, I've been helping guys with this for over 20 years. And I've heard story after story from handsome guys and good looking guys and guys who have spent a lot of time working out to the point where they're really in good shape. They've done a great job and they actually enjoy doing that. They enjoy working out, but it still isn't getting them the results that they want because they still can't handle interacting with the types of women that they find attractive. Not the average ones, the below average looking ones, the ones that they really want. It's still not happening for them. But for those guys who put all that effort into working out, it hasn't gone to waste, right? They still do have a bit of an advantage in that they look better. So if they're able to be confident and spark a woman's attraction during the interaction, it's easy for them. But the reality is that it's also easy for guys who haven't even done that, if they know how to activate a woman's attraction properly. For example, have a look at these guys who haven't been working out, right? They don't have big muscles, but they're still getting girls. What the heck's going on, right? These guys aren't experts at making women feel attracted, but you don't actually need to be an expert, right? Instead, you just need to know how to activate a woman's attraction. And there are so many different ways that you can activate a woman's attraction when you start interacting with her. And if you can activate a woman's attraction in 3 or 4 ways, or 5 or 6 ways, or up to 10 different ways, then you're attractive. Right? She's going to be feeling attracted to you. And if you then have the confidence to stick with the interaction and move things forward, then you've got yourself a girl. And for some of the guys that you're seeing on the screen now, some of them may not have had a lot of confidence when they started to talk to the girl, but what they had was some confidence and a lot of determination. Right? So the guy was determined to talk to her and make something happen. And because he was able to trigger her attraction in other ways, for example, he may have used humor, flirting, he may have been charming, he may have been assertive, or he may have been chill but added in a sexual vibe, and so on. Because he was able to make her feel attracted in other ways, her attraction was activated, it was switched on, and then because he was determined to stick with the interaction and then ask her out or ask for a number, he then got the result. Yet guys who are struggling to get results with women and who don't know about the secret that I've been telling you about in this video have been walking through their life thinking that one day women are just going to change. Women are just going to start switching on all around them. But it doesn't happen. And they don't realize how close they are to getting results with women. All they've got to do is switch on a woman's attraction. They've got to activate her attraction. And some other examples from my community, just to put it into perspective for you. A guy went out and he'd never picked up a woman in a bar and he did that right away. Another guy got with his yoga instructor. Another guy got with a woman on the beach. Another guy picked up a woman in a cafe, right? You can do it anywhere. Right? You just have to activate the woman's attraction. And when you do that, the women switch on. And if you don't do that, they don't switch on. They just see you as background noise, a background character, right? So if you think of TV shows and movies and you're watching a TV show and you're focused on the 2 characters or the character on the screen and there are background characters, you hardly ever notice them. Or if you notice them, you just look at them and they're not even important, right? It's just like, yeah, background noise sort of thing. That's what most guys are like to women. But if you want to become that main character on the screen that she's interacting with, you need to activate her attraction and then she's focused on you. Then she's like, oh, right, I'm feeling attracted to this guy. And then you have an opportunity with her. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you understand something about attracting women and has helped you understand the opportunity that you really have with women. And if you want to learn more, I'll see you in the next video here on YouTube with some more insights.